How can you hope for mercy if you don't show it yourself?
I have bought the pound of flesh that I demand from him. It is mine and I will have it. If you deny me, your laws mean nothing and there is no power to legal agreements in Venice.
I have the power to dismiss this court unless Bellario, a lone doctor of law, comes here today. I have sent for them to decide about this case. Where is this man?
He's waiting nearby to hear whether you will let him into the court.
All my heart.
The letter says that Bellario is too sick to come, but that he's sending a young doctor of Rome called Balthasar to oversee the trial. Portia then arrives disguised as Balthasar.
Welcome. Take your place here. Are you familiar with the different sides of the case?
Yes, my lord. Is your name Shylock?
Shylock is my name.
You're at his mercy, aren't you?
Yes, as Shylock says.
You confess that you've broken the agreement.
I do.
Then Shylock must be merciful.
Why must I? Tell me why.
Mercy is not something that one is forced to practice. It falls easily like gentle rain from the sky. It's a doubly blessed thing. It blesses both the person showing mercy and the person receiving mercy. We pray to God for mercy, and that same prayer should teach us all to show mercy to others.
My deeds are my responsibility. I want the law to be upheld, the penalty, that which he must forfeit because of the loan.
Can he not pay the money back?
Yes, I have the money for him in the court, even twice the sum.
With all my heart, I ask the court to issue its judgment.
Have some surgeon on call nearby, Shylock, to stop Antonio's wound so he doesn't bleed to death.
Is this spelled out in the contract? I can't find it in the contract. It is not in the contract.
You, merchant, do you have anything to say?
Give me your hand, Bassanio. Farewell. Don't grieve because I have fallen into this misfortune on your behalf. Speak well of me, your honorable wife.
Antonio, I'm married to a wife who is as dear to me as life itself. But I don't think as highly of life itself. I would lose all of it. Yes, I would sacrifice everything to rescue you.
Your wife wouldn't be too happy to hear that if she were around to hear you make that offer. And you must cut this flesh off of his breast.
Such a wise judge. The right sentence. Come, get ready.
Hold on a second. There's something else. This agreement doesn't give you any drop of blood. The words are a pound of flesh. So take what is yours. Take your pound of flesh. But if in cutting it off you shed one drop of blood, your lands and goods will be confiscated by the state of Venice by the city's laws.
What a just judge. Oh, you wise judge.
Well then, I hope the devil gets him for this. I won't stay here any longer to argue.
Wait!